Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily, and in this video we're gonna take a sneak peek at a new gorgeous stamp set from Trinity that will be released tomorrow. And when we are speaking about tomorrow's big release for May, you want to check back tomorrow because there will be a video hop as well as an Instagram hop going on to celebrate this release, and you can win some amazing prizes, so don't forget to come back tomorrow. So I'm just cleaning off my stencil here. Sometimes there is residues on the stamp when they are brand new, so I just want to make sure that I have nothing that is left on the stamp, so I get a good impression here. I'm using my Onyx Black Memento ink here on top of some Nina cardstock, and I'm using my mister to get a good impression, and I probably will stamp that 2 times. It's just a habit that I have, and I could actually fit 2 images here, but I will only end up using one of them today. So I cut my panel down and I will do some quick Copic coloring. I just love these smaller images that are already sort of created for you. You don't have to put down a lot of effort to get a good card front. All of the embellishment with the stars is already done for you, and all of the placement of the elements. So this is really one of those super quick cards that comes together effortless. So I kept to my greens and teals for my first letter congrats there, and then I will go to some warmer colors here, some pink, orange and yellow for my U's and U word here. So I really like alternating colors and using a rainbow of them, and this is a fun way to sneak in a rainbow, just using them on top of the letters. So I will speed this up a little bit here, and you can see I skipped some of the coloring as well, just not to bore you too much. I did, I think, 2 to 3 shades of all of the markers, and then I used my gold Copic marker to just fill in the stars. And then I also tried out to have a pink panel behind my piece here, and I think I liked it, so we will see what color I end up with. And I will also cut a really fun diamond background here in a second. So that is my tassel there, all colored in, and then I will do some black as well. So for my blacks, I don't like using black at all on cards. I think it's messy. So I'm using my C9, C8 and C7 and 6, I think it was, for my lighter shading. And that makes the hat look black without using a black marker. I hope that makes sense. It's a really fun technique, and everything, it just looks like you used black when you actually use gray, because all of the shading and everything that you can do with these markers, I just like it, and it's super fast as well to just go around. And I'm no expert at coloring, I think I mentioned this in all of my videos, but I like coloring and I think it turned out fun. And I used a really dark orange color for my sort of backing and my mat for my panel here, and then I used the diamond background die set from Trinity. That's an older one, and then I will put that on top of a standard A2 sized card front, and we have our card already finished. So I hope you like this sneak peek of the new You Did It Grad stamp set from Trinity, and that you will check back tomorrow for some more inspiration with a new release. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!